My name is Jonas Kumar Sharma. I am a student of North Kazakhstan State Medical University. Today, my topic preparation information about unusually clinical case of the patient with the blood disorder. Uh, Blood introduction. Wilson Harvey, father of physiology disorder, blood circulates through the body in 60-20-60-28. Blood is the fluid connective tissue present in the circulatory system. Blood fluid of life because it's carrier oxygen from the lungs and to all parts of the body and carbon dioxide from all the parts of body to the lungs. Fluid of growth because it's carrier nutritive substance from the digestive system and hormones from the endocrine gland to all the tissue. Fluid of the health because it protects of the body against the disease and gets rid of the waste product and unwanted substance by the transporting them of the accessory organ like kidney. In body percent of plasma, 55% plasma, white blood cells and platelets 1%, and red blood cell 45%. And wool the blood plasma include the amino acid, nutrients, protein, gases, electrolytes, and nitrogenous waste. And the proteins also albumin, globulins, fibrogen, and from the elements leukocyte two types, granulocyte agranulocyte three types, neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. Agranulocyte, lymphocyte, and monocyte, and platelets and erythrocytes also present element of the blood. Red blood cell and its disorders. Uh, Erythrocyte red blood cells are non-nucleated from the element of the blood red color due to the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin size 7 micrometer. And red blood cell disorder, erythrocyte polycythemia vera, anemia, iron deficiency anemia, wooling the hemolysis, sickle cell anemia, erythroblastosis, and fetals and thalassemia, prescription of anemia, aplastic anemia. First of all, erythrocyte, a condition with the increased circulatory red blood cell RBC characterized by the increase the hemoglobin level. Two type of relative absolute and relative polycythemia occur the resulting more loss of fluid with the hemocreatine cells and seen in the vomiting, diarrhea, or loss of electrolyte with the accumulation loss of water. Increase the number of RBC is only related to total blood volume. And absolute erythrocytes, primary polycythemia to the idiopathy, increase the number of circulatory RBC and hemoglobin level. Bone marrow with the inherited increase the proliferative activity. Secondary polycythemia, known of the etiology, absolutely increase of the RBC mass, resulting the enhanced stimulate the RBC production, bone marrow anoxia, pulmonary dysfunction, high altitude CO poisoning, and produce of the erythropoietic stimulate factor, drug and chemical such as the coal, tar, mercury, and iron, bismuth. And polycythemia vera, chronic stem cell disorder with the insidious onset characteristics of the pain, hyperoplastic manglant, and neoplastic marrow disorder. Absolutely increase in the number of the circulatory RBC and in the total blood volume because uncontrolled RBC produce accumulation by the increase in RBC, WBC, and platelet production. Clinical manifestation, asymptomatic periodicitis, vertigo, gastrointestinal pain, headache, and parasitic fatigue, weakness, visual distribution, and tinnitus. and oral manifestations, erythema, red purple color of mucus, glossitis, and erythromatosis, edematoses, and gengoa, and after spontaneously gengoal bleeding. After laboratory finding, RBC normocaloric, caloric and nomocytic more than the 1 million, and hemoglobin more than 20 mg per dial, and platelets 4 lakh to 8 lakh dial, and bone marrow hypercircular megalocyte and are the increase, and treatment phlebotomy and chemotherapy and reactive phosphorus, and anemia represents reduced in the red blood cell count, first second hemoglobin count, and pact of the cell volume. It can be also defined as the lower ability of the blood and carrier oxygen. Normal RBC like bean shape, and abnormal RBC another shape, just like circle. Etiological classification of anemia. First of all, loss of blood, acute pathomorphic anemia, chronic post-hemorrhagic anemia, and second, excessive destruction of RBC. Extracapsular chaos, antibiotic infection, splenic sequence, and destruction, drug, chemical, and physical agent. Intracapsular hemolysis disease, hereditary and disorder glycosis, abnormality of RBC membrane, and abnormality of synthesis of globin, acquired lead of poisoning, second acquired lead of poisoning, impact the blood production resulting from the definition of the substance essential of the erythropoiesis. First of all, iron deficiency, second deficiency of vitamin B12, folic acid, protein deficiency. In independent producing mature erythrocyte deficiency of erythroblast and pure red blood cell aplasia, and infiltration of bone marrow, leukemia, lymphoma, and multiple myeloma. Anemia etiology, chronic blood loss, inadequate dietary intake, felt iron absorption, increase the requirement of iron in infancy, childhood pregnancy, and clinical manifestation, chronic fatigue, failure of conjunction of lips and oral mucosa, brittle nails with spongy cracking and splitting nail beds, Kaima, paler crashes, and palpitations, and shortness of breathing, numbness, and bone pain, and oral manifestation, angular siltation, glossitis with different degrees of atrophy, and fungiform and filiform papillae, and pale or oral mucosa, oral conduces require apoptosis, stomatosis, and erythromatosis, mucosis, and burning mouth. And laboratory finding macrocyst, hypochronic anemia, acute supply iron, normal hemoglobin synthesis, RBC 3 million to 4 million cubic mm, and low hemoglobin, low serum iron, ferritin with the elevated total iron binding capacity, and treatment oral iron supplements, ferrous sulfate, and high protein diet. Thank you. That's all.